On today's episode, gold is the toilet paper for the rich. Bitcoin is for the poor, Max Keiser said. We're also gonna be looking at the crypto war to see the price. Bitcoin reached 7,000 last night, but it went back down to $6,784. Also on today's show, Brave browser gained 1 million new user in a single month. Will come from entrepreneurs and enterprise. Also on today's show, Opera become the first major web browser to support crypto domain. And you know we saved the best for last. Crypto wallet 8 apps 80 adds instant SEPA transfer for Europe users. People are going to buy Bitcoin in droves because there will be no gold for sale due to coronavirus, Max Keiser predict. In a recent edition of his Keiser Report news on the coronavirus pandemic will push billionaires into gold as a safe haven. He tweeted, "I predict, and this is not only an ultimate use case, but the ultimate irony, that once people realize that they cannot get gold, they start flocking in masses into Bitcoin." The basic for the claim was a report from Bloomberg on March 25th, which warned that the gold industry was facing unprecedented turmoil due to the spike in demand. As Cointelegraph reported, the precious metal that has seen noticeable price volatility in 2020, from low of $1,469 just 2 weeks ago, markets have since shoot up to its high of $1,629. An increase of 10.9% in just 1 week. Coronavirus. Is gold the next toilet paper? Gold has a number of drawbacks over Bitcoin. In contrast to cryptocurrency, it is costly and risky to move, especially across borders. Generally needs a trusted third party to store it. Unlike on Bitcoin blockchain, there is also no way for market to know in real time whether a particular unit of gold is genuine. Gold is also afflicted by the phenomenon which has impacted every money in history except Bitcoin. The higher the price, the more effort humanity devotes to increase the supply. As Sifindin Mouse noted in his The Bitcoin Standard, Bitcoin cannot have its supply increase, even if its price dramatic due to its difficult adjustment feature. On the topic of supply, the Keiser Report added that this time, unlike the financial crisis of 2008, gold mines are shutting down over coronavirus, ironically stiffing the opportunity to boost the supply. We will be encountering a severe crisis in gold market, just like in the toilet paper market. Co-host Stacy Hembert summarized. Brave browser gained 1 million users in a single month. Isolation has increased web traffic, with much of the world limiting their exposure to the coronavirus through self-imposed quarantine. Web usership has undoubtedly increased. As a result, the various internet-based services have hosted significantly greater demand for activities such as web browsing, gaming, shopping. A March 20th Bloomberg article stated, Brave sees increased attention. Some of this attention has been funneled toward Brave, as evicted by its spike in use. Brave, a browser focused on privacy and data control, has associate crypto asset, basic attention token (BTA), which user can earn by participating in specific activities such as viewing ads. Brave ran a gangbuster of ICO back in 2017, selling 35 million worth of BTA token in less than a minute. This sale was by the former Mozilla head Brendan Each. Also on today's show, new survey reflect India crypto boom will come from entrepreneurs and enterprises. On April 2nd, 2020, global peer-to-peer Bitcoin market Paxful released today the result of a survey about the future potential of cryptocurrency in India. The survey highlights what industry will lead to change toward the adoption where crypto will drive the most progress. In the general sentiment of India, men and women age 18 to 55, 75% of which have crypto investment regarding digital currencies. As you can see from the graph, the potential of cryptocurrency in India is actually growing. The ability to trade digital currency in India has brought immense potential to the ecosystem. In the country itself, with the bulk of surveys responding believing heavily in the benefits of crypto, India has a strong opinion on the future digital currency, which aspect of the industry will ensure success, and which industry will drive adoption. According to respondent, Indian see crypto enterprise thrive due to the lift of the bin of 64.8, with the retail sector following 52.2%. They are also heavily calling on regulation, with 75% of responding believing that the KYC in the regulatory framework, 58.6%, and most important to the continued success of the digital asset. The future of crypto in India looks bright. And the survey respondents agree with 43%, stating that they look forward to an increase in job and the ability to take in entrepreneurial endeavors. It is expected that cryptocurrency usage will continue to flourish. A conclusion that will be based on the statistic, that 40.40% of respondents would invest in digital currency over any other investment option, with the stock and bond to follow 30%, and real estate and gold coming in at 14%. We'll also be covering Opera. The free web browser has become the first to integrate the Rogue crypto domain extension, allowing users to make cryptocurrency payment directly in the browser. Opera is collaborating on a project with San Francisco-based Unstoppable Domain, which is backed by the influential billionaire tech investor and a Bitcoin advocate, Tim Draper. The company helped users send various cryptocurrency using by the recipient blockchain domain, rather than their wallet ID, and access and build censorship-resistant website. A blockchain domain is stored on Ethereum decentralized public lender, rather than by a registered company on a centralized cloud service. The rogue domain does not strictly exist on global DNS and is not recognized by the ICANN. They also state, we are adding several new features that bring blockchain browsing experience to a new level. Opera say in a statement, Opera users are getting the ability to access the cloudless, decentralized web of the future through IPFS protocol support, which rethink the way we access data online. They'll also send and receive cryptocurrency more easily by registering crypto wallet addressing in a way similar to a .com or .org domain. Just as with the current web, if a user facing those type of censorship issue, they would need to use VPNs or similar tool. Decentralized websites solve a user ability to publish it on the publishing side rather than on the viewing side. Say Unstoppable Domain in a statement to Cointelegraph. Right now you can publish using a traditional domain register if you're in a place that is limiting free speech. Whereas with decentralized web tools, you could. So it's about the publishing and not the viewing. Unstoppable Domain told Cointelegraph the development will also eventually improve the speed of the internet connection as distributed networks are more robust, have better uptime, and will reduce the risk of incidents such as DDoS attacks. On our last news, Edo, a cryptocurrency wallet platform with a built-in exchange, announced today that it has enabled instant SEPA transfer for Europe users. SEPA stands for a single Europe payment area. It is an established system for cross-border Europe banks transfer between countries in the Eurozone. SEPA aimed to make these cross-border transfer around Europe as fast and efficient as a domestic transfer. Until recently, wire transfer via SEPA could take up to 2 to 3 days to process. Recently, the system was been upgraded, so now transfer only take 1 working day to be clear. The wallet application is one of the first to integrate the instant SEPA feature. Features as an on-ramp to purchase crypto asset. In a celebration of the new feature, Edo is offering free SEPA transfer for the next couple of weeks for users who have passed KYC verification. That is all for today's news. This have been your boy Ismael. Have a great day.